There's a similar concept to PageRank, TrustRank. PageRank evaluates links between websites, all websites. TrustRank takes the concept a little further. In effect, the creators of TrustRank asked the question, what if we looked at links from sites that we know are good sites, sites that we can trust? The problem was that PageRank is easily manipulated, and a whole industry grew up around the concept of doing so, of creating sites for the purpose of generating and passing on PageRank. So the idea behind TrustRank is that you start with a collection of hand-picked websites, sites that you know for sure are high-quality sites that can be trusted, that are not merely in the business of selling links to other sites, for instance. Then, from that seed group, you follow links, each link acting as a vote for the linked to page, just as PageRank does. The closer to the seed sites, the higher the trust value. The further away from the seed sites, the lower the value. So TrustRank is similar to PageRank, but with this extra concept of good and bad sites, trusted and untrusted. So having a high TrustRank is a good thing, of course. However, Google has never published TrustRank numbers, unlike its PageRank data. So where does that leave us? Well, it's a useful concept to know. Links from certain types of sites can convey TrustRank, which will help you in the search results. If you can get links from these kinds of sites, then go for it. And remember, it's not just links from, say, newspaper and university sites that pass TrustRank. It's also links from sites that have been linked to from these highly trusted sites. And if you really want a measure of TrustRank, then remember the tools we looked at in the pseudo PageRank lesson. Both Majestic and Moz have TrustRank type metrics. Here, for instance, you can see Majestic's TrustRank type value, what they call trust flow, a value from 0 to 100. Majestic even provides trust values for particular topics. A site might be more trusted in one area than in others, for instance. And Moz has a similar value, something called Moz Trust. So remember, links from high-quality sites, trusted sites, are worth more than links from low-quality and less trusted sites. Of course, you can't always get what you want, and not all your links are going to be from the world's top sites, if any, but an understanding of this concept is useful when you're out seeking links.